Hello friends, my name is Ibad. In today's digital age, the internet offers numerous avenues for individuals to earn money online. One platform that stands out in the realm of online job searching is Indeed. With its vast database of job listings, Indeed provides opportunities for both full-time employment and part-time gigs. This article aims to explore fast earning opportunities on Indeed and provide you with insights and strategies to maximize your online earning potential. Whether you're looking for quick cash or a long-term source of income, this guide will help you navigate the virtual landscape of Indeed and boost your online earnings. 1. Leverage your skills. One of the fastest ways to earn money on Indeed is by leveraging your existing skills. Start by identifying your strengths and expertise. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or data entry, there are plenty of employers on Indeed seeking freelancers with specialized skills. Create a compelling resume and portfolio highlighting your abilities, and customize your job search to filter for freelance or contract positions. Respond promptly to job postings that align with your skill set and submit high-quality proposals. Building a strong reputation through positive reviews and client testimonials will help you secure more lucrative opportunities in the future. 2. Remote work and virtual assistant roles. Another avenue for fast earnings on Indeed is remote work. With the rise of remote job opportunities, employers are increasingly seeking virtual assistants to handle administrative tasks, customer service, data entry, and more. These roles often offer flexibility and allow you to work from the comfort of your own home. Search for remote or virtual assistant positions on Indeed, and tailor your applications to highlight relevant experience and skills. Be proactive in communicating with potential employers and demonstrate your ability to work independently and efficiently. As you gain experience and establish yourself as a reliable virtual assistant, you can command higher rates and secure long-term contracts. 3. Online surveys and microtasks. If you're looking for quick and easy ways to earn money on Indeed, consider participating in online surveys and microtasks. Numerous market research companies and platforms pay individuals for their opinions and completion of small tasks. While these opportunities may not yield substantial income individually, they can add up over time. Look for reputable survey and microtask platforms on Indeed and create accounts to start earning. Be mindful of the time investment required and ensure the platform has a good reputation for prompt payments. Additionally, keep an eye out for other microtask opportunities such as data labeling, content moderation, and website testing, which can offer higher payouts for specific skills. 4. Freelancing and gig economy. Indeed serves as a valuable platform for freelancers and gig workers, offering a wide array of short-term projects and freelance gigs. From content writing to graphic design, web development to social media management, Indeed's job listings encompass various freelance opportunities. Create a compelling profile highlighting your expertise and set up alerts to receive notifications about relevant freelance projects. Actively engage with potential clients, demonstrating your skills, professionalism, and ability to meet deadlines. Over time, you can build a solid client base and develop ongoing relationships that lead to consistent work and increased earnings. Conclusion. Indeed presents a wealth of opportunities for individuals looking to earn money online quickly. By leveraging your skills, exploring remote work options, participating in surveys and microtasks, and tapping into the gig economy, you can maximize your earning potential on this popular job search platform. Remember, building a reputation, maintaining professionalism, and continuously honing your skills are crucial for long-term success. With dedication, persistence, and a proactive approach, you can pave your way towards financial independence and achieve your desired level of online earnings through Indeed. Hope you are learning in this video. To the helpful, thank you.